Good morning, David. You are very quiet this morning. Usually, you are the first one to say hello. Is everything all right?
Good morning, Emma. I'm sorry. I am moving a little slowly today. I did not sleep very well.
Oh, you sound very different. Your voice is very rough and low. It sounds like you are having trouble speaking.
I am. It feels like my throat is full of sand. It's very scratchy. I think I am getting a sore throat.
A sore throat? Ugh, that's no good. That's often the first sign that you are getting sick. When did it start to feel this way?
I noticed it a little bit last night before I went to bed. It was just a small tickle then, but when I woke up this morning, it felt much worse.
Waking up with a sore throat is the worst. It makes the whole day feel difficult before it has even begun.
It certainly does. I was hoping that a good night's sleep would make it go away, but it seems to have had the opposite effect.
That often happens. Well, I am very sorry you are not feeling well. Is there anything I can get for you? Maybe a glass of water?
A glass of water would be nice, thank you. Talking is a little bit painful right now, so I will try not to speak too much.
Here is a glass of water for you. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids today. That is very important when you have a sore throat.
Thank you, Emma. That is very kind of you. I will try to drink a lot of water. Does it hurt a lot? Can you describe the feeling?
It's not a terrible pain, but it is very uncomfortable. It's a constant scratchy feeling, and it definitely hurts when I swallow.
That is the worst part. You have to swallow all day, so you are constantly reminded that your throat hurts.
Exactly. Do you think I have any other symptoms? Do I look sick to you?
Let me see. Your eyes look a little tired, but you don't look too bad. Do you feel like you have a fever? You can check your temperature.
That's a good idea. Let me just feel my forehead. I don't feel particularly warm. I don't think I have a fever, which is a good sign.
What about a headache or a runny nose? Do you have any of those symptoms?
No, not at the moment. My head feels fine, and my nose is clear. It really is just my throat that is causing the problem.
Well, hopefully it stays that way. Maybe it is not a full cold. Maybe it is just an isolated sore throat.
I hope so. I really do not have time to be properly sick this week. I have too much to do at work.
No one ever has time to be sick. It always comes at the worst possible moment. Do you have any idea what might have caused your sore throat?
I have been trying to think about that. I felt perfectly fine all day yesterday.
Were you around anyone who was coughing or sneezing? Maybe you caught a small bug from someone.
I don't think so. Everyone at the office seemed healthy. I wasn't in any big crowds or on public transport.
Hmm. What did you do last night? Did you do anything unusual?
Not really. I just came home, had dinner, and watched some television. Oh, wait. I did go to watch my brother's basketball game.
A basketball game? Was it very loud in there? Did you do a lot of shouting and cheering for his team?
It was extremely loud. And yes, I did a lot of shouting. His team won in the last few seconds, so it was very exciting. My throat was a little bit sore when I left.
I think we may have found our answer. You probably just strained your voice from all the shouting. It's not a cold. You just overused your throat.
You think that's all it is? That would be a relief. It means I am not contagious and I don't have to worry about getting a full cold.
I think it's very likely. If you don't have any other symptoms, it makes the most sense. But even if it's not a cold, you still need to take care of your throat today.
You are right. I need to help it heal. What are the best things to do for a sore throat that is caused by shouting?
The most important thing is to rest your voice. You should try to speak as little as possible today. And when you do speak, don't whisper. Whispering can actually be worse for your throat.
That's interesting. I did not know that. So I should just try to be silent. That might be difficult at work.
We can talk about work later. The other very important thing is to drink warm liquids. They can be very soothing for a sore throat.
Warm liquids. That makes sense. Like what?
The best thing is warm tea with a little bit of honey and a slice of lemon. The warmth is comforting, the honey coats your throat, and the lemon has vitamin C.
That sounds absolutely perfect right now. It sounds like a magic potion for a sore throat.
It is not magic, but it is very effective. I will go to the kitchen and make you a big mug right now. You just sit there and rest your voice.
This tea is wonderful, Emma. Thank you so much. It already feels a little better as I am drinking it. The warmth is very soothing.
I'm so glad to hear that. Make sure you drink the whole thing. Are there any other home remedies you can think of that might help?
My grandmother always used to tell me to gargle with warm salt water. She said it was the best thing for a sore throat.
That is a very classic and effective remedy. The salt water helps to reduce swelling in your throat. It doesn't taste very nice, but it really works.
I might have to try that later. It's worth a little bit of bad taste if it helps me feel better more quickly.
Another thing that can help is eating something soft and warm, like soup. Chicken noodle soup is the traditional food to eat when you are sick.
A nice bowl of soup sounds very appealing. It would be much easier to swallow than something hard and crunchy like toast.
Exactly. You want to avoid anything that could irritate your throat more. So, no crispy or spicy foods today.
I can definitely follow that rule. What about things from the pharmacy? Are there any medicines I can take?
Yes, you can buy throat lozenges. They are like little candies that you suck on. They contain medicine that numbs your throat a little, which can help with the pain.
I have had those before. They are very helpful. We don't have any in the house, do we?
I don't think we have any throat lozenges in the medicine cabinet. I can go to the pharmacy later to buy some for you.
Thank you. That would be great. Well, I should probably go and get ready for work now. I can't be late.
Wait a minute. Are you seriously thinking about going to work today? With your throat feeling the way it does?
Of course, I have to go to work. I have a very important meeting this afternoon that I cannot miss.
David, your voice is almost gone. It hurts you to speak. How are you going to participate in an important meeting when you can barely talk?
I can just listen, and if I need to say something, I can write it down. I feel fine otherwise. It's just a sore throat. It's not a serious illness.
It might not be serious, but it needs to rest. If you go to work and try to talk all day, you are going to make it much worse. Your throat needs silence to heal.
I know you are right, but I feel guilty about missing work. There is so much to do. My team is relying on me.
Your health is more important than one day of work. And what if we are wrong? What if it is the start of a cold? You shouldn't go to the office if you are contagious.
That is a very good point. I would feel terrible if I got all of my colleagues sick. I didn't think about that.
Exactly. It's the responsible thing to do. If you are feeling unwell, you should stay home to protect the people you work with.
I know. You are right. I just hate the idea of falling behind on my work.
Can you work from home? You have a laptop. Maybe you could do some of your work from the sofa without needing to talk to anyone.
That's a possibility. I could answer emails and work on my report. I wouldn't be able to join the meeting, but I could do other things.
That sounds like a good compromise. You can still be productive, but you can do it from the comfort of your own home, where you can rest your voice.
I think that is what I will do. It is the most sensible solution. It's better for me, and it's better for my colleagues.
I am so glad you agree. You are making a very wise decision. Your body will thank you for it later.
Okay then, I need to call my boss and let him know. I should do that as soon as possible. I hope he will be understanding.
I am sure he will be. A good boss always wants their employees to be healthy. Just explain the situation calmly.
I will. I will tell him that I woke up with a bad sore throat and no voice, and that I think it is best for me to work from home today.
That sounds perfect. You are doing the right thing.
Okay, I have just finished the call with my boss. He was very understanding, just as you said he would be.
I am so glad to hear that. What did he say?
He told me not to worry about work at all. He said my health comes first and that I should take the day to rest completely. He even told me not to work from home if I wasn't feeling up to it.
That is a wonderful boss. It's so important to have that kind of support. So, you have the whole day off to focus on getting better.
I do. It's a strange feeling. I was so prepared to go to work, and now I have a full day of rest ahead of me.
It is a gift. You should use it wisely. Now, there is another phone call I think you should consider making.
What's that? Who else do I need to call?
I think you should consider calling your doctor to make an appointment, just to be safe.
The doctor? Oh, I don't think that is necessary. It's just a sore throat from shouting at a basketball game. The doctor will just tell me to do all the things we have already talked about.
You are probably right. But sometimes a sore throat can be a sign of something more serious, like strep throat. It's always good to get it checked by a professional.
I really don't want to go to the doctor unless I absolutely have to. Let's make a deal. I will rest all day today. If my throat is not any better by tomorrow morning, or if it gets worse, then I promise I will call the doctor.
Okay, that sounds like a reasonable deal. We can wait for 24 hours and see how you are feeling tomorrow, but you have to promise me you will actually rest today.
I promise. No work, no chores. I am going to be the best at resting. So, what does a perfect day of rest look like?
It starts with you staying on that sofa. I will bring you a warm blanket and a pillow so you can be completely comfortable.
That sounds wonderful. I already feel cozy just thinking about it.
I'm going to go to the pharmacy for you now. I will buy you some of those throat lozenges we talked about. Is there a particular flavor you like?
The honey and lemon ones are always nice, but any flavor is fine, as long as they work. Thank you for going for me.
It is no problem at all. And while I am out, I will also stop at the grocery store and buy the ingredients for a nice, healthy chicken soup. I will make a big pot for your lunch and dinner.
You are an angel. Homemade chicken soup is the best medicine in the world. You're going to spoil me.
That is the whole point. When someone is sick, they deserve to be spoiled a little bit. It helps them recover faster.
What should I do while you are gone?
You should try to take a nap. Sleep is one of the most important parts of healing. Just close your eyes and let your body rest.
A nap sounds like a very good idea. I do feel quite tired. I think I could fall asleep right now.
Good. Here, let me get you settled. Here is the blanket, and I will put this pillow behind your head. Are you comfortable?
I am very comfortable. Thank you for taking such good care of me, Emma. I really appreciate all of your help.
It is my pleasure. I don't like seeing you feel unwell. I am happy to help in any way that I can.
You have been a great nurse. You are very knowledgeable about all the right things to do.
I have had my fair share of sore throats in my life. You learn what works and what doesn't. Now, do you have everything you need here on the sofa?
I think so. I have my glass of water, and you are making me more tea.
I will put the television remote right here next to you in case you wake up and want to watch something and your phone is on the table.
That's perfect. I am all set. I am ready for my day of rest and recovery.
I am so glad you made the right decision to stay home. It's the best thing for you and for everyone at your office. Now, I am going to leave for the pharmacy. I will be back in about an hour.
Okay. Drive safely. I will try to be asleep when you get back.